Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can recover deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. It's a pretty simple process, so hope you guys can follow through. So the first thing you want to do is go into Facebook and click on the bottom right corner to go into menu. Once you're in here, click on settings and privacy and then click on settings again. Once you're in here, you can scroll down and see where it says your information. Once you're here, tap on the download your information button. Once you're here, you can request a download of your information. Click on request a download. And once you're here, just tap on select types of information. In this, just tap on messages. And that's it. Click on next. And make sure the format is HTML because that's the only readable format that you can download from. Once that's done, you can select the media quality to make sure that the retrieval process is faster. Now, depending on the number of messages you have and all the data that is there, it will take time for you to get all your data back. But yeah, once you submit the request, it will show you here that there is a pending download. So it is saying that it is downloading my information. Now this takes time depending on your data and how much have you used Facebook in the past. So yeah, once you tap on request download, it will take time and it will notify you once your data has been downloaded. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can recover deleted messages on Facebook Messenger. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.